Okay, we have to set position. Okay.
X to the target.
Yeah. To whatever is being passed as X. Okay.
If you call it target S, X, that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
It's more expressive.
Target X in the
Target what?
respect to the robot frame.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
الحين there is a Z دكتور اللي هي الثانية orientation.
Z we don't know here, we don't need because we are in two-dimensional space. Okay.
And it is always set to 0 if you don't specify.
And now you specify the quaternions orientation. Okay. The
Rest will be 0. Just you have to keep this to 1 to move the robot, because X and Y will be 1 for the homogeneous.
so
You have 2D, so what you will be getting? X, Y, okay, and Z. Z will be always 0. But if you want to convert like Dr. Nis told you, so what you need to do for making the homogeneous? You have to add one
Initialization.
in the end of the matrix. Okay, to make it homogeneous with the, to have the 4 values plus homogeneous, it will not make any effect.
actually
Okay.
here, yes, we want to move just the robot forward for a certain distance. Yeah.
But we can specify why to
Yeah,
change.
we can change this later for the orientation.
But we will
just,
change X5.
yeah.
Okay.
You can try to run this code on the real robot.
orientation شوية في هذه
And then we send the goal.
Just look.
Okay, look now, we send the goal.
And then if you have a method defined,
W will be Q3. W is it Q3, right?
Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Yeah.
Q3.
Q3 is 1, always. In 2D. Okay, then we wait for the result. And these. No, I'm not closing. Don't worry. You don't need them, but just for you. Just see out, okay? Okay, wait for the result, and then remember what was being taught in the previous lecture. What you do when you set the goal.
See the goal.
So the goal that's being bonus.
There were some 3 things I also.
Mhm.
You were being taught 3 things when you send in action case. Either you can have a result,
Feedback.
you can have a feedback.
Okay.
Okay,
Can you repeat the first one?
In action lead,
action level.
Actually,
there are 3 things.
Interrupt or
No? You have the result, you have the feedback.
And what was the
closure.
initial
Something
thing?
for closure. Like closure. Complete.
result?
One was goal,
We said that feedback
other
is
was
always there.
feedback, and third was the result. And result can be either two, and result can only come in once, and feedback can come
Can come
continuously
Several times.
several times. And result can either in be 2 cases, either it can success or failure.
Okay.
So we have to check. Now we were waiting for the result. Now we have to wait. If the result was success, we will do our stuff, or if it was failure, what we need to do.
So now if wait for result equal.
And
Now we want to check the result. Wait for result. So what did
the
happen?
failure can be 2 cases, right? Can be not reach the goal and can be not available or something like that.
If not available, the first case will fail.
Okay, sorry.
Ross wait for duration. Okay. Okay, if AC dot get state is double equal to action lib simple client goal state succeeded,
Okay.
the just this is if it is, that means if it is one in simple case. Okay, so I will say the robot move to the target. Okay, and then I will just print the position X. If you don't write anything, no worries, these are just COPs. Okay, else
To the target. Okay, compile now. Let's see. You understand the code?
Well, the last
So-
part is
no right.
Last part is just for printing and getting the result.
So initially, just declare a client for the service name move base in the server. Okay, and then wait for the server to respond. If it has a topic, it will respond. If it don't have a topic, it will not respond, and you will have a timeout. So it will just publish, cannot do anything. Okay. Else, if you get something, so what you do? You declare one message in which you define the target. In target, you can specify X, Y, Z, whatever. But you have a 2D report, so X, Y, and the quaternion. So for the quaternion, I just said this one. But if you want to move the robot in some directions, you have to specify X, Y, Z also, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay? Or you can specify the yaw, and there is, like we get a method get yaw. There is also method get quaternion. Okay? So yeah, so you can convert the yaw to quaternions, and then you can specify like if I ask you move the robot 45 degree.
Okay.
This method understand? Is it this
No.
type understand what?
No.
Quaternions. It don't
Yes.
understand.
You have to
Yeah.
convert.
So you have to convert. So there is a message called as convert yaw to quaternions. Okay, in TF again.
Okay.
Okay, so in TF. So then you will get these quaternions, and then you can specify here. Don't specify like 1.0. Then you will specify whatever is being obtained from that thing. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q. Okay.
Just add one thing here in the code. To target. Okay. So we can call this here, the menu.
Yeah, we have to call it a menu.
Okay.
طيب دكتور وين احنا
Yes.
عرفنا التير؟
Where if
If yeah.
Before when we want to use TF, we have to declare publish or listen. When we want to use TF, we
Yeah.
need to declare publish or listen. Yeah?
Move.
Move, yeah.
Yeah. So
Here,
no.
just
We need to we need only one thing. That was
What is
publisher. For the
sorry
What is deep?
target.
for the twist message.
No, so can you scroll
For
down?
the twist message. But
Sorry?
here
Yes,
This-
sir, I come back. Just copy
Okay.
this.
action client, what it do? It generate those messages what you were studying in the differential drive.
So when we get if
It
it's equal to
generates
deep,
those
we
messages.
move it
Move
forward.
robot.
Yes.
So what it will do? It will generate all the speed necessary to move the robot. You don't need to focus on twist message now. It covers that thing.
And
This
what
is a big
are we doing
library.
in class?
Navigation stack
Let's
is a big
invite-
library,
I'm going to define them right now.
that has.
No, we can't change the speed. So we can't manipulate with the speed or change the
Then you have to change the topic. How to control the speed? There is another topic. This is move based. It is moving with the default speed. If you want to change the speed, then there is a move base. When you will do ROS topic list in move base, there are multiple other topics. Okay. So then you can change the
So
speed.
will you define?
But still now it is
integer or
default.
doubles?
Think not
Oh,
not
integer.
changed.
Double. I'll make it double.
And this is always
I
safe.
don't know it's defined as well.
Okay.
It's defined as double.
Yeah, I define that.
Yes.
What if the turtle bot found obstacle? And,
Nothing it can do. Did I handle? Insert this one.
No handle. Yes.
So both the values will pass at 0?
Insert.
It's inserting. No.
It is not handling hurdles. For hurdle, Kinect, bumper, cliff, wheel drop, these sensors must be used.
This is target X.
And move base, the navigation stack have a method called as move goal laser. We will study it later sometime. But there is a method called as move base laser in which you can move with the laser.
This is
So your work
target
will be done. But in that case you have to remember the old. Like if you want to move the robot for 1 meter, what you have to do? You are moving, the hurdle was just like this here. So what you will do? If you turn, you will move 1 meter over here. You cannot move 1 meter over there. So you have to remember this
So
whole
semi-
position and whatever was
Okay,
done.
where?
Seen
Okay, here. Yes. Is it open, yes, sir? You can run.
Yeah, yeah. It is open. And working.
Configure.
Yeah.
So I make gross make.
Ross make turtle T capital, M. Yes, enter.
Yes.
Yes, enter, enter.
You must have few errors, of course. Expected at the end of input 126. I think I missed to close this line here.
Oh, this is why.
Okay.
So it is an error. Yeah.
There is one missing bracket
Wait.
or the F here.
Line number?
Here.
117.
This bracket here.
Okay.
One more. Actually, has not been declared. It's here. It's with action leave.
Just copy.
This one.
Yeah, I did.
Go on the top. The different.
Which
Move base client.
like that.
Yeah.
This is the type.
Yeah.
Which one now?
Here. Just paste on the top, please.
What is type?
No, but this is, what is the new code?
This one is new.
That is
But
like-
this is new. But you can do this one.
WS. Can I get 2 plus?
Okay, because you have to define move based client.
Because move based client we define, but we did not define the client.
Which line is not defined?
I made it global.
What is that?
Global
No,
What is
which
it?
one?
Run.
client, move based client. Ross run.
Action.
Yeah. Enter.
T.
Y.
Details.
Or let's see, can we see the position of the
Yeah.
robot now?
Yes, yeah.
No.
We did not implement the position.
Okay, the new
It is a
this line is
implemented
AC.
in Q.
Q. Okay.
Ah, okay, I got it.
Simple action plan.
Yeah, I mean, you added cliff sensor. ايش؟
First one, simple escape.
So you added some code, right?
Yes. Simple.
No, cliff sensor.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, Cliff, but we did not discuss. So
We did not discuss. We will do it later.
No, because I'm doing it right now.
Sir,
But now it works without clip sensor.
sir. Error.
I will check. Just I will try to run this. What
This
is
is another,
it will move 1 meter.
not our code, huh?
moving to position?
Guitar.
Sterling.
Guitar.
The TF again.
No, I don't like to run this.
Hey, this is not our code,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. What is our code? This one?
This one, yeah.
Because in our code we did not implement the.
Character.
No, I wanted to implement I want to show these values here.
Just copy.
Okay.
But I'm going to copy them because we did them in the other code. Just to get to show the current position and the last position, okay? So to see the difference.
Print position يوم. سوي just. أيوة هذه
Print pose. Okay, I'm going to print the pose of the robot.
Okay, we have to call it. Okay.
Yeah. This one we don't need. You have it written in other place or not?
Just copy this one.
Can I delete this?
Which is this code? Our code? Yeah, delete this.
You have it in another place?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I want just to put the code that you have written in the classroom. Which one? Enter.
Yeah, yeah.
From here to here. Now this is a.
Yeah, we have to call it.
Okay, this is a print pose.
One declare global variable. So the message comes.
It's not. It's declared.
Yeah.
This one. It's not the same.
Because
No problem. So we have to change.
Automatically.
I have to put the global variable here. F replace. I put the name of the global variable here.
Okay, translate.
Print. Okay, and I will add print for
print pose.
printing the pose.
P.
Clips. Refact.
Cliff we deleted, not the remove the.
We removed it now. And this is P
Yes.
for printing. And then I will call the method. Which method?
Print
Yeah.
pose. Print pose.
Oh,
Print
okay.
pose.
The first one. What did?
It is only printing the yaw value, the angle.
Hmm?
Does it print the way of this one? No. What is the? I want to. So we can add print the U. For me, what is most important is the U here. I put it here. Turtlebot
This is the
Yaw.
U.
Okay, and just call the function.
Orientation. U. And then I call the function here. And I put what?
Yeah, odometry message.
Okay.
And delete the rest of it. Or continue. No problem.
And then we can put the no problem with that. I'm going to add one C out. And line. Okay. That the out.
Okay.
In the main, the else has a problem.
Hmm?
In the main, we have to add one else.
I'm going to make that. Let me add the line here to make it clearer in the display. Okay. Okay.
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, and then else.
And here,
Okay, no.
else. Push make.
Ross make turtle boat. No, this is Ross run. Okay. Ross make.